In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Dropbox. Navigating our digital world efficiently is critical, especially when it comes to managing our files and documents online. Dropbox is a preferred choice for many thanks to its simplicity and intuitive design. Whether you are new to Dropbox or returning after a while, accessing your Dropbox account is a seamless process. Today, I'll walk you through every step of the way. First things first, let's head over to Dropbox. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.dropbox.com in the address bar. This will take you to the home page of Dropbox. The page is neatly designed with a welcoming interface that gently guides you through. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, your eyes will likely scan for a way to get into your account. Look for the login option. You'll find it located typically at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing your stored files and starting your session in Dropbox. With a single click on Login, you're one step closer to your digital storage space. After clicking on Login, you will be directed to a new page. Here, Dropbox offers you several options to access your account. Among these, one particularly convenient method stands out: Continue with Google. This option is a godsend for those who prefer not to remember multiple passwords or are looking for a quick way to dive into their files. It allows you to use your Google account as a key to open your Dropbox, seamlessly integrating different aspects of your online presence. Clicking on Continue with Google will prompt a pop-up window or redirect you to a page where you can select your Google account. Choose the account you want to use or log into one if you're not already signed in on your browser. It's essential to use the Google account associated with your Dropbox if you've previously set it up this way. If it's your first time, don't worry. Dropbox will guide you through linking your Google account to your new or existing Dropbox account. It's crucial to have your Google login information handy. Once you select or enter your Google account details, you might be asked to confirm your choice. This confirmation is part of the security measures to ensure that it's indeed you trying to access the account. After successfully logging in with your Google account, you'll be redirected back to Dropbox, but this time to your very own dashboard. This dashboard is where all your files and folders are neatly arranged, waiting for your interaction. From here, the world of Dropbox is at your fingertips. You can upload new files, access existing ones, share documents with others, and collaborate on projects in real time. A few additional tips to enhance your Dropbox experience. 1. Take advantage of the Dropbox mobile app. It offers almost all functionalities of the desktop version right in the palm of your hand. 2. Explore Dropbox's version history feature. It's incredibly useful for recovering previous versions of your documents. 3. Consider upgrading to a paid plan if you find yourself often running out of space. Dropbox offers various plans to suit different needs and budgets. Accessing Dropbox through Continue with Google is not just about saving a few seconds during login. It's about creating a more streamlined, interconnected online experience. With fewer passwords to remember and a quicker way to get to your files, you can focus more on what matters: your work, your projects, and your passions. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, and understanding how to navigate it efficiently is key. Today's walkthrough is just a starting point. As you become more familiar with Dropbox, you'll discover even more features and tricks to enhance your digital file management. That's all for today's tutorial on how to access Dropbox. Whether you're transitioning to paperless, managing a team project, or just keeping your personal files organized, Dropbox is a powerful tool at your disposal. Happy exploring, and here's to a more organized and efficient digital life.